I don't care what diet, day, or new air fryer gadget that's out there. It's always fried chicken time. Let's get started with dinner. Make sure your oil is hot on medium heat and not high heat because you want to make sure that the chicken cooks evenly throughout. If you watched the previous video, you know the huge secret that I had, and this made up for it. I don't care what type of new air fryer gadget of calorie burning, there is nothing like oiled deep fried chicken. But this is something I can only make once a month because the family absolutely loves it. But we have to be mindful of the waistline. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button if you find Wife Cookbook to be helpful, and hit that description bar where the full recipe is down there.